summer. I flew in my connect, check my grammar. All the girls wanna make me like Nama. Summer, yeah mama. The boys doing good, I don't hammer. I'm making them dance in my timer. Cause I always come around like karma. Now, let me tell you something you don't know. Feel sweet like Ferrari, don't know. This girl's big, taking me photo. No clock on the boy, man, a photo. And I'm fresh from my head to toe. So good music, I make them say, oh. When I come through, I kill the show. Baby, yo, yeah. I like to lie. I think I know never lie. You can try it, it's so cheap. I like to lie. I think I know never lie. I'm not dancing, I lie. Why so hot sometimes? My fresh, forget I'm more the boys when I'm fresher. No competition, I kill the pressure. Like exam, nobody test ya. Booty shy, I'm like unbetied in the shady. I'm so good and that bad guy. When I rock the say, come on, I'm on fire like a Shana. You can do whatever, man, say na Shana. And I bring down the roof of Sana. Do it all day, then rain around. And I'm fresh from my head to toe. Jump with music, I make them say, oh. When I come through, I kill the show. Baby, yo, yeah. I like to lie. I think I know never lie. You can try it, it's so cheap. I like to lie. I think I know never lie. I'm not dancing, I lie. So why so hot sometimes?
Night show.
Sai na tambaye ta sunanta, sai ta ce wai tana tare da kawayenta. Sai na ce mata ai da na ganki sai na gigice.
Thank you, DJ Easy. Una, welcome back on Top the Night Show for today.
I feel the music. My God, is it today also? It made me feel like I do Friday.
Now, one of the songs of classic, that classic will still come back this week. See on Top the Night Show.
Produce that
discuss. No.
You go produce them. The way you they carry them. No,
you need to hear the songs we did for that guy. For that guy mixtape. No. The music is a music.
Yeah.
It's a music. Anyway, welcome back for the next show. We don't get that guy when I tell you, say the way the guy take busy reach. God go feel postpone rapture because of him. So that they go blow trumpet. Jesus Christ go say no, don't blow that thing.
Even if you they chase Kel, the Kel for don't agree right now.
Yeah, I didn't tell you. Anyway, double toilet to Victor. I say Victor. Now, Victor, name for lucky wives. He they beating girlfriend, they beating wife. And the wife said they around. I don't see the wife before. She there around, they slap him, they beat him, they tear in cloth. Naked, I see things. When they tie the girl cloth, I tell what I see. Eyes have not seen it, ear have not heard.
Now that one you go see. You don't see the other one when he
if I not see, if I not see woman, a man I go see. Please don't stop it. Tony Manjaro.
Yes, man.
Welcome to the night show.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the night show.
Tony Tonero.
What's up?
My guy, my ye. This is my nika right
Before we talk, Marco watch some videos from some of the films, things, when they be say, Tony, they inside of himself, no know how many them be. Marco watch them when they come back.
So who's making you happy?
That Miss just wrote me being silly.
Talking about girls' bums again.
That's all he seems to think about.
So girls' bums make you happy?
Wow. Thinking.
Good night.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Flamingo Airline Flight 212 to Abuja. My name is Captain George Dahmer. My first officer is Shea Carey. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 19,000 feet. The flight to Abuja will take us 59 minutes. We're in Abuja, a cool 31 degrees Celsius. Thank you for choosing Flamingo Airline. Enjoy yourself. Air traffic control, this is Flamingo Airline Flight 212, requesting takeoff from runway 2.
After all we went through together? Otta, I got you this job.
Oh, yes. And that insult of a salary.
Oh, so this is about money then?
Apparently so.
I stood up for you, Otta. I offered you a lifeline.
Well, you knew I had no choice. You were taking advantage of me.
When I asked you about this earlier, you played me the guilt card.
Oh, so you don't trust me anymore. I guess we're even. Did you really think that I have forgotten how you set me up in prison?
How many times do you want me to apologize?
Until I feel you mean it. I lost my wife, my daughter, my life when I went to prison.
You broke the law. Those are the consequences.
I stole some money. You killed a man.
All right, baby. I want you to take this. And I want you to punish me. Teach me a lesson. I never forget, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on.
Just the good old ways, baby. I just want to feel your warmth, babe.
I am not interested in that.
Honey, I promise that you're going to enjoy it. Okay, look, I want the same things that you want, but I want to be able to look in your eyes and kiss you and hold you. And I can't do that in the way that you want me to.
I am done with your fucked up missionary ways.
Please, Victor, don't curse.
Fuck this shit! Okay? What is it with your peace? Eh? Missionary morning, missionary afternoon, missionary evening, missionary every freaking time of the freaking year!
Yeah, I've been waiting when I never knew, looking but never seeing, hearing but never listening, yeah. Days go on with no meaning and no color, a life with no love, swallowed in by the darkness, yeah. Never thought
Una, welcome back on Family Light Show. Una, don't see some kind short part of waiting Tony.
So they will say forget ourselves. It's this
Missionary every time. Mission, cut it more one. Give it to me, baby. Hit me. No, baby, I want it rough.
I'm
no,
sorry.
give me rough.
I'm sorry, you know.
No.
That.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Give it again. Ooh.
No.
Hada.
I'm sorry, you know that
You like it? You like
I'm
it?
very uncomfortable with
You like it, missionary? We are going to go for missionary who preach to people. Missionary in the morning, afternoon, and night. Every time, missionary. Are we missionaries? Anyway, nice one.
Thank you.
Make I ask you. You know they confuse yourself sometimes.
You need to confuse now.
I
want to try and speak in pidgin here, you know. I'm a pidgin man.
Pidgin man.
Are they confused sometimes?
Sometimes you go act good man for here. You go act bad man for here. Sometimes if I go say that, who am I now? Because if you don't know yourself again.
Baby could tell us how many names you don't answer inside film. I know so you don't answer Victor.
I don't act Victor.
Otta.
Otta.
Kenneth.
Okay.
Kenneth.
For after proposal.
Okay.
Last flight to Abuja.
Last flight, Captain George.
Okay.
Dama.
Captain George. Calabash.
Calabash. What did he name himself? I don't forget to. He named plenty.
You know, say God go find them hard. Go find them hard to accept.
Stop him! How you go talk that kind of thing?
Wait, make I tell you.
Who you be?
Hey, what is your name? We are seeing Otta here. Oh. What is your real name?
Victor.
Now Victor be my name. Ogachaka. Anyway, nice one. And okay, I beg before we continue. Rest in peace to Mona Obiokwe. When he be say died, that Nollywood actor we died. Why I be remember Mona? Now because of say I got two favorite Nollywood actors. When he be say two of them, anytime when they act, belle they sweet me because now
man and woman or 2 months.
No, two mans.
Okay.
As in 1 man, 2 man, 2 menses. You understand? So they're acting. They sweet me. Tony now one of them.
Not because
you there.
I think you there because you there.
No, not because I'm saying there. No, I'm serious.
This don't change. It can't be like chameleon.
You see,
you be before.
the kind of tone and be person be say go fit enter stage. As you go act stage play well. Not be everybody. If anybody you understand, no. You see that place where they give, baby, give it to me. Baby, give it to me now.
Onto everything when you way they that something. Now that one you pick.
My God, my sister.
Niru, come on your mind for God. 10 times are here.
You know, anytime I go somewhere, you will be say, like, I go one restaurant one time, this woman, big woman, tell me, say, not be that guy for Lekki. I said, not be me. She said, are you? I said, why you can't ask me? Even I know why you can't ask me. He said, make I show you how to do am. She come behind me. Hey? I said, madam, why? He said, I saw you do am now. I said, so because I do like you say one round to me, don't my wife be that? You get some weird people when me say, no, what I never see. Even one guy come meet me, and I show him that the real Victor be that guy. Tell me say, what go? I say, I like. I say, you like what you? I like what you did. Do it now. Oh, why? Nobody there now. Only me and you now. Why they whisper? He said, so I like how they do that. I said, yeah. He says, yeah. See, my wife like him. I said, hey! Oh boy, get it behind me.
People they like bad things.
For Lekki,
people
forget
like,
it.
People
all of them. Not be all of them, but most.
I don't talk.
I know it's in a real life. So, really and truly, it happen for Lekki.
Now. How you go say, when you start acting?
I don't do. You know, when this guy they talk, say, papa, mama, you know. Leave that side. Your dream, if they go one place, your parents say, now here they go. Now here they go. Forget that level.
Now you know where
you know where they go. Your heart is there. My sister would tell me, say, this is your always dream. I always dream. I say, listen, my dream. You feel understand them. This person don't feel understand them. But me, I understand them.
And to so me, it just happen like that.
So it's okay. Even if you don't understand, I don't concern you. Now me. Now I concern. You know, so sometimes when this kind of thing happens, you know, you need to follow your dream. Bottom line. You know, and
so now you come follow your dream like this.
I follow my dream.
What's it gonna be your first film? What you do?
First film.
Because this thing gonna become full-time job for them.
Nah, full-time. You know, funny enough, I moved back to Nigeria to become a full-time actor.
Oh, you been not in Nigeria before? No,
I did I did UK before. I get my own company. I run one small web and graphic design company. I studied multimedia and film production.
Okay, for school. Okay.
Yes. Everybody said I would become doctor. I said,
They don't know.
Who I want cure? I will cut one leg. Cut your leg. Hang down. I'll say Monjaro style. Monjaro style, you know. I said, leave that side.
What did be the first thing?
The first one I did was with Zebejiro.
Okay.
Tears in Heaven.
Okay.
Ages ago, that time is small boy.
How much did they pay you that time?
He paid me self. I don't remember. If he paid me, I don't remember.
They feel no pay.
I don't remember.
See, I'm an artist. I can act anything. Oga, I act for a living. Because don't
my life.
Oga, let me go pay you.
And then they.
They're
so we no like say we no know.
We know say then they.
And the hostel is real, oh.
And I guess they didn't want pass. So that senator will see me. Did I say it? Sorry.
But I will not confirm anything. All I know is, you know, it's possible. You know, yeah, so I did Tears in Heaven. Before that, after that time, could be part-time here and there. Person will call me, say, come do this and come do this. 2011, last flight to Abuja, then come and see me I can't do.
Okay.
I say okay. You don't tell me it was Obi.
Okay.
Most of my jobs that time, now Obi I did do.
Obi,
they call me and everything. And I said I should come to Nigeria for this project. I said, well, make I see. Before that time, I go America. They do Mirror Boy.
Okay, yo, Mirror Boy.
He now invited me. See me I come. Because of that film, I fly back from America, come London. I say if this film, because the noise when they make about the film, hey,
they make noise.
They make noise die.
Genevieve,
they can't see countdown. Watch TV.
Mirror Boy.
Wazobia FM with
Wazobia FM.
We carry them now. Cool FM, Nigeria info.
I say if this film no make come,
nothing go make.
I go retire. I didn't act again. What's in? Acting no be do or die, no be walk.
And the thing come blow.
I can't come. Fly back. On the night itself, the hall they don't sell out tickets before they even reach hall. Can't see queue from Domot. Go reach outside. They find ticket. No tickets. They won't hire the other hall. Because they had 1,100 people.
Okay, sorry. Ugochukwu from Warri, good evening.
Good evening.
How they work now?
I don't they work now. How you doing? Now, how is the ministry? Oh, hallelujah, somebody. Now, thank you. Take a wiper. Give the Lord a wiper and take your own as well. I'm going to good night. Oh, I got to look at them one. Bye.
So I can't see you. I said no. Let me say the hustle is real. And I will die with it. So when they come in, people can't do last flight up, but I say fine. Funny enough, the role I play, not the role I supposed to play. I was supposed to play that role.
And you can't play them very well.
But they don't tell me say I go play that role. In fact, don't put people for that role. Put me for first officer.
Okay.
So somehow, come
maybe
work
now the way that uniform fit you because that.
Maybe that one. We don't plan them before.
Sorry, Lydia from good evening. Lydia from Mina.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Lydia.
Now?
Fine, no. How are you now?
We there, Lydia. We dey try. How you aside?
I like una show.
Thank you. We say we like you.
Yes, so make una help me say hi to Easy B.
Easy B.
I beg, Kathy, make you help me kiss Easy B.
Help you kiss him. Nabia, I'm going to kiss him for you. Follow me.
Now there you did.
Lydia, that makes sense, you know. I have kissed.
Thank you, Lydia. See, make I tell you.
Lydia,
thank you.
Lydia, don't say bye now.
Bye. Make I talk for you.
Lydia,
pig.
Wait, make I
tell you. You know, say pig begin. Smaller pig. What do they call small pig?
Piglet.
He go there for fire. He say, my cousin, my body they come out. Oh yeah. My cousin, my body they come out. It doesn't die.
They die.
They die. I don't talk my own finish. Continue because.
So I don't want to play that role. So somehow now I got that role. And I can't.
Sorry to cut. Ishoma from Lagos. Ishoma, bye. Your TV they too loud. When you're done with this volume, call us back. Continue.
Why I did? I don't forget why I did again.
No, you know that role.
I don't pass that one now.
Oh, okay.
I say, that's true. I don't. Okay. I don't. Anyway, I couple.
Now you didn't interrupt.
So
now cause they interrupt.
We got rich. The uniform when they give me, I say this one be a move.
You know size.
I go bring my own uniform.
Now you
The cap. You know, say your mother, your husband, are captain.
Yes.
I said, Moti, show yourself. She go bring cap.
From the husband.
So when I call knock cap, knock coat,
you know,
knock shoe, black shoe.
My brother.
Call the waka.
Oh.
They call on the waka. Oh, like 3 films when I don't do, that waka don't enter.
Chai.
One waka when they when me say never do the film, we do them.
More take the last caller from Lagos. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello,
my brother, how is you? Now we the I pass right here.
I'm I'll tell you what
Get our number. Is the devil's work? You see that devil, that prince of Persia. Where hold Daniel that time for Bible? Now you hold the phone lines. But thank God, our fasting did not go in vain. Continue. Hey, the devil will come here again.
You're too funny. No, you're too funny.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, thank you, my brother.
Tell Katim that I love you. I love her.
Oh, hey, Katim, they love you.
I love you too. Okay, you mean I'm there. I love you with the love of the Lord.
Eh?
After me, here now one day, I want you to invite me to so that I can come to and stay with you.
Oh, come on, stay. My brother, the only woman that can stay with me. Big up, man, no, you can't stay with me.
See, Katim, I want to come see.
Okay, you want to, okay, no problem. You can come. You can come to our office 267A at the Miyan Crescent. Come and see Katim.
Okay, no problem.
No can look for me, because the only woman that can look for me. Thank you.
I love you. I love you.
And now I love you with the love of God. Good night. Some Doralisha say, I beg, hope say no they consider to sing like Tonto Dike.
It is possible. It is possible. But we won't try it.
Okay.
We get talent the rich.
We know say time not a plenty for this nice show. Time not a plenty. Tony and the wife for Lucky Wives, then go still come back on Thursday this week. If possible.
You don't hear. Answer now. I never see.
You go there. Wait, tell them. Okay. Before we go, Swan part for inside that Lucky Wives. Where you and that girl, give it to me. Then go do am here. She don't be around. Come, Okira, come here. The guy don't be around now. Then go do that part before. Then go act them for us before. Okay, come.
You know say the full.
Hey, baby, you not here? Oh no, baby, please. I have been waiting for this for 2 months. Are we ready?
Give her that.
Are we ready?
You don't get. Give her something.
Oh yeah, take. Wipe him.
Wipe it.
Idiot.
Wipe it now. Oh, this. For movie we not gonna do. For TV we not gonna do. Come out for here.
Missionary everywhere.
Every day. I am tired of every.
We are missionarizing.
Baby.
Tell them the day we will come back on that too.
Thursday, I don't know. I film at the moment. No. I'll come.
Okay, next week.
Next week. Okay.
Make it talk and make everybody.
Make we talk and make una hear.
I don't know.
Okay, you know what? Next week, I'm finishing shoot probably. I did finish shoot probably on Wednesday.
So when una go come?
Probably that kind of Friday. If
no Friday.
I know.
Friday not day.
I don't walk.
Yeah, I see. You see?
Never think will happen. We go agree with them.
Okay.
But then two go come back.
Like this to sit down inside here.
That thing where they do for film, then go do am back here. So I been wanna kiss now. Camera.
What they do?
Action.
Camera.
All quiet.
Not the movie we do.
Action.
This one and this is do.
Action how?
Anyway, double toilet to all of us. We don't watch night show for today. Double toilet to Tony Monjaro. Thank you. Kira. And the two go see come back because that day, before we go take call, now we don't discuss with them. Finish, we go take call. And then double toilet to classic. And our DJ, where women they like, where please say they happy for your mind.
Our one and only DJ is I believe is
for your mind. Then he said, now so your life begin.
I don't know.
We're pink. Yeah, wearing pink now.
You two get that belly for him.
Anyway, thank you.